3:06 the getaway, der 130 ersten Durchgang von.
So now we are here on my home track in Königssee. I think everybody see it. We have a lot of work here, so the track is rebuilt. We will start here the training session in the beginning of November. The most important thing for me is so the kids can come back here and train here. And for us, we have a World Cup here. So the World Cup on Königssee, I would say it's one of the best World Cups in our overall schedule. And so I'm looking forward to come back here and have good races, good training, and a good last World Cup before the Olympics 2026 in Cortina.